Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing this stunning floral fashion wear illustration. Now quickly moving to the product I've used. All product links are given in the description, you can check them out. Let's start with the video now. Firstly, I'll start with drawing the fashion figure. For that I used this HB pencil and this watercolor paper is from Bridal, which is 300 GSM cold pressed and a little textured one. I'm not a trained artist, so that's why I find making freehand sketches more convenient and less time consuming. Here I'll be drawing the facial features like eyes, nose and lips. Make sure there must be trace of pencil imprint on sheet. After erasing, we'll be using the skin tone markers. You may use any brand alcohol based markers if you have, and if you don't own any, there is one skin tone shade in Faber-Castell connector pen. You can use that too. I have indicated the shade names on screen to avoid any kind of confusion. Plus, I'll provide the link of a detailed skin rendering tutorial on I button or in the channel playlist. You can check that out so that you'll get a brief idea. Don't forget to use a color pencil after markers. The main reason behind them is that our skin rendering must look really realistic and naturalistic. Here I'll be using the skin color pencil from Montmartre. They don't mention the shade names, but still I managed to share the hue. It looks pretty much like peach or a cream color. I personally like to use this color pencil as the quality and pigmentation is just outstanding. After that, for shading I use this light brown like shade. While explaining things elaborately, I actually missed to add these two product lips in product use. That's alright, I already mentioned the link in the description, you can check them out. Again, I forgot the belly part, so quickly use this same barley beige shade following Montmartre skin color pencils. Here I've used Faber-Castell connector sketches similar to Montmartre. They don't mention the shade names at all. If you guys own these sketches, you can clearly relate which color I've used. Otherwise it appears to be a light brownish shade. To show the eyes and brows more prominent, I've used this black dot pen. Don't use a gel one, as there is a chance to get smudge. I'm sure that most of you have and use this. For highlighting, I use this Sakura Jelly Roll white pen, which I generally used in most of my illustration, and following a white color pencil for blending the excessive highlights. Varieties of brown skin tone shades in Montmartre. You don't find any other colors, so I used this strawberry shade as a blush. This one is from Maped Color Pencil. Using this one felt like a guest appearance of an actor in a film, isn't it? Again, I used this black pen for doing the messy bun hairstyle. Make sure your hand strokes must be very gentle while doing this. Our skin and hair part is done. Moving to our outfit, I chose this blue-gray color by adding 3 shades to it. Titanium white, black, cobalt blue in 3:2:1 ratio. I mixed it well and used a small flat tip brush for applying the paint on the blouse. For painting the skirt, of course, you need a bigger flat tip brush. So here I use this Artist Den size 6 flat tip brush. Now for painting the tulle, I use the same diluted shade for doing it. We are done with painting. Now comes the central part, which is swirl. It's really important and necessary to make this in every fashion illustration. Just don't even try to skip this, even if you do before or after detailing. I'll be doing folds for 2 times, and by the help of this 2 brush technique, one for applying the paint and second one is the small flat tip brush for blending. And some of you might be wondering what diluted means. Let me tell you guys, just add few drops of water to the color, it becomes diluted. second last part is our detailing. For that again I'll be using the diluted black for drawing two lines. This one is 000 size miniature brush from Red Art, and I'll be doing floral details. For that I'll be using scarlet red, titanium white, permanent yellow hue shade and sap green. At last I'll be doing folds for the second time by the help of this two brush technique, one for applying the paint and second one is the small flat tip brush for blending the color. So here is the final look of the illustration. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. I'll see you soon with the very next video. Till then, bye, take care and thank you so much for watching.